This is for Josue Part 2. You wanted me to post this one too. Josue, you can come say hey if you want to. It's Josue. He's making me post this. Yeah. You see I walk in, they sit down, they stand up like eyebrows, they doubt me. I don't care, I watch them, they all stare, they watch me, cause I'm the best. Gonna put all you haters to rest, because I don't care what you do or say. I'ma be the best anyway, yeah, I drop bombs like Pakistan. Y'all can't even understand the stuff that goes on inside my head. It's like a vision, effervescent. You think that you know me better than I know myself. Put some wrong answer, yeah, you think it is gonna get me overwhelmed with all the hatred and the pain. But see, it doesn't matter, cause it flows right through my veins. And I'ma serve you like a platter, then I'll knock you out and pick you up and walk you to your seat. Now sit down, shut up, and watch the show, and life will be complete. I promise this to you and everybody that listens to me. I am no longer just average man, they call me history. Now shut up, close your mouth, listen close, don't you pout. Thank you haters for inspiration, now I can block you out. I can finally walk away into the path that is greatness. But I have to thank myself for being so freaking patient. Make fun of me now, yeah, I dare you to go ahead. But just remember, when I'm famous, it's because of you, yeah, you bet. Thank you for every hateful thing that you said. I'll remember you at night when I'm laying in my bed. You're the reason I'm here, and the reason I'm best. Just listen to the rap, man, and you can figure out the rest. I'm about to go in, and it's no contest to me against you. Well, that would be a sludge that see. Anything I do, anything I say, I was never good enough anyway. Why do I try? Why do I cry? Why do I let my life fade away? Man, I'm rapping cause I love to. I'm rapping just to say I'm rapping so all of you fake rappers can follow the way. And you rap about smoking, and you rap about weed. But because I'm getting better, they're overdosing on me. See, you can't compare, and I know it's not fair. When I go in on the beat, I know it's hard not to stare. I know you think that I'm white, so I can't rap. That don't even make sense, you racist piece of crap. Man, I'm tired of all the hate and discrimination. I know when I rap it gives a sensation, a destination. This creation does not encourage any hesitation. I just wrote it for simple celebration, the desolation. And they tell me that it's time to give up, but now when I rap I leave them stuttering like a hiccup. It ain't hard to pick up what I'm putting down. Come on man, listen to the sound of the music everywhere you go. You know it surrounds everything you do. You know that I'm running this town, and I suggest you get back or else clock loud. Yeah, this life that I'm living, I've had a lot of decisions, and people say that my rhymes come from lyrical visions. See, I think that rapping is easy, and it's pretty pleasing to see all of my haters walking away for no reason. And I don't care about money, I don't care about fame. The only thing that I ask is you remember my name. I'm Andrew Mobius, yeah, and no, it's not a for shame. The only thing that I know is that I'm running this game, and my lyrical flow, man, it's out of control. Now I'm sure whenever I rap that everyone knows I be spitting that gold. Your other rapping is old, you're done rapping, but man, I got stories to be told. Just listen up, sitting up, grab a pen, write it up. Now go and write something that actually means that money and weed and girls don't make life complete. Man, your life is a mess, but you can follow me. Now when this rap is done, after all the fun, just remember what I said is true under none. Man, I've had a blast, and no, I'm not looking back. I just hope you can do the same, and that your life's not out of whack. And this rap is about to end, so I'm trying to pretend that you never doubted me, and will never do it again.